Hi guys. So over the weekend while I wasn't feeling well, my Jeffree Star box came. So we are gonna unbox this box because I've been waiting. So this is my friend Val. She's opened the box. And that's cool paper. I don't know who else gets excited about the paper, but I keep all of these because my vanity is actually Mod Podged with the Beautylish tattoo paper that you get with your Jeffree Star stuff. Love it. I got this postcard, which is really cute. I'm going to do the lippies first because we're going to play in the eyeshadow. This is so stinking cute. Oh my gosh. And feel it. It's not.
Ooh.
Yeah.
It's
soft. It's like faux leather. Super cool.
Oh my goodness.
So I'm really excited for Ryland and I Gotta Go. I'm not sure about the other ones because I don't wear a lot of like reds or pinks. But those frosts are calling my name.
That Shane is a pretty color too.
Oh yeah. So we're gonna swatch. This is Shane. That is really stinking cool. It's like almost like a copper color. Really pretty. Olivey, coppery. Wow. I'm not going to swatch them on my lips right now. Are you filming?
Yes, this we are.
Beautiful red? And yes, we are. And that is really pretty. And it's almost Christmas time, and that will be a good Christmas color.
That's like a poinsettia color.
Yeah, it's like a poinsettia color. Love it. All right. Ryland. I'm really excited for this one, and I have to tell you why. Because I'm old, and this is the same color as Wet n Wild 528. And for those of you who are 80s babies that wore that in the 80s, yes, I went through several tubes of that stuff. And I am so excited for this color. And yes, it is. It's a little more peachy, I think, than that color. But it is so freaking pretty. Now this one's going to be my favorite, I can tell already. This is I Gotta Go. And this is the most beautiful copper color I have ever seen. Ooh. And it is gorgeous. And my lights are not showing it. There we go. So pretty. Jeffree, what the F? And that's all we're going to say because we're not going to go there. Because we are family friendly for the most part on this channel. And this is some hot, stinking pink. Ooh. Wow. That is amazing. And I hope I can wear that because that is really pretty. And oh my God! Because I say oh my God all the time. And yeah. It is a really light baby pink. I will probably end up wearing it with something because I am afraid it will be too light for me. But that's it there at the end. So pretty. Look at those, you guys. Wow. Okay. So that's the lippies. And wow. I'm so excited. I just love it. And next we will go in with the Conspiracy palette. And I'm dying because I have not looked at this at all except online. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Y'all, Val and I have been friends for like over 20 years. I believe my youngest was a baby or maybe a year or two old when her and I met. All right, yeah. I'm going to get my, well, you have your phone. Since we're filming with my phone, we're going to take the flashlight and we're going to put it on here because everybody's been saying, oh, mine's coming with hairs and stuff in it. I see absolutely nothing in mine. No hairs, no nothing out of place.
No fuzz. No
fuzz. The only thing I see is there is a little bit of like piled up pigment on top of my pills. It looks like it probably came from the edge and ended up being pressed on the top of it. There is nothing wrong with my palette at all. Not one bit. So, it's not every palette. It's not all of them at all. Mine's fine. So we're going to use Val's arm to swatch on because my arm has lipstick on it. And we're going to start with Ranch. Almost can't see that.
Do I need to flip my arm over?
No, you can actually see it on the camera. You just can't see it from there. It's very light white shimmer right there. Okay. So that we don't have to dig for it later. There we go. Okay. Next, we're going to go into My Pills with a dry finger. And y'all, I don't swatch hard on my palette at all. And I just did 2 little circles like that. And there's 3 little swipes of My Pills. And it's, you can barely see it on her skin, but it's right there. It's pink. The next one we'll do is Tannicon, which I'm really excited about this color because everybody says this is like the transition color. And that is beautiful. Beautiful. Next is Diet Root Beer. Beautiful brown. All right, get a wipe. You're gonna have stripes up your arm. And wipe off my fingers because we don't want to get yucky stuff in my palette. Next is Just a Theory. And it feels, no joke, buttery. Like you're rubbing your finger on butter. Such a beautiful shimmer. Next is Spiraling, which is another shimmer. And it also feels buttery. It is a little dusty in the pan. But it wipes right in, blends in beautifully. All right. The next row starts with conspiracy. That green is so pretty. There we go. So pretty. And pigment.
Which has a pig on it.
Which has a piggy in it. I love piggies. All right. That's pretty. That's really pretty. Okay, I'm going to wipe my fingers. And do we want to switch arms or go on to the top of your arm? It's up to you.
We can go on the top.
Okay.
And then if we need to switch arms, we can switch arms.
Please excuse my mess back here. I'm still sorting and getting things put away. Okay, I am really excited for this neon yellow food videos. I love yellow eyeshadow. This is an amazing yellow. Wow. 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 That is so pigmented. And the other one that I'm so excited for is Trisha. My favorite colors are pink and purple. And so as soon as I saw this color, it called to me. That is some hot pink, and that is gorgeous. Next, we're going to Cheese Dust. I'm getting a rainbow there. So pretty. And Flaming Hot. Which I can't wait to use for Christmas. That is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Okay. Wipe my fingers again. Get them all cleaned. And I haven't really noticed any staining on my fingers except just them being red from me wiping them. There's no staining or anything of the colors yet. I'm sure it can happen if you don't use primer or whatever. But I haven't had any problems really with any of Jeffree's formulas staining my lids. Next is What's the Tea? And this is that beautiful mint color. We're going to put it right next to the shimmer. That is so pretty. Diet Cola. Everybody's been raving about the Diet Cola color. It's silver. It's silver and beautiful. And I can't see it very well. Let's see. I can't break her arm.
Well, you can kind of see it.
You can kind of see it right here across her tattoo. It's like really bright on my finger though. Like really bright. The next one is Not a Fact. A beautiful wine color. Love that. Sleep Paralysis. This color, I can't even explain the color that it is. It's like a gray, but an olive, but it's shimmer. And when you put it on the skin, it almost looks purple. It almost looks like a lavender purple. It's beautiful. and so soft. Next. We have 2 more to go. That's all. All right. Got those cleaned off. This is Illuminati. This is so pretty. I love hunter greens. And this is like so many different colors. It reminds me of one of the colors in Alien. I can't remember the name of the color, but it definitely has different shifts in it. It's almost like purple one way, green one way, kind of dark grayish, brown like another way.
Blue steel.
Yeah, it's beautiful. This is my rides here. This is the black. And it is a little bit dusty, but it is black. And now I'm curious. I want to grab my Alien palette because I want to see what color that is that's like it. Please excuse my jammies, guys. Okay. So, there is a color in here that is similar to that. Oh, it's called Probe. And it's not the same color, but we're going to put it next to that one just to see. I think Probe is a little more green than this one. They're very, very similar. The shifts in them, the Probe looks actually almost brown on camera, but y'all know it's green and brown and purple. It's definitely a multi-chrome color, but they're very similar, very close. I knew I had a color that was similar to that, and I love those colors. So you guys, that was the Jeffree Star Conspiracy palette and the Pig lip bundle. And Shane and Jeffree, you guys did really well. Really good. I'm really excited to use these. I cannot wait. Though I'm going to have to wait because I have a doctor's appointment. So, you guys take care. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Ring the bell so you know when I'm going to upload again. And we'll see you on the next one.